All right, this is for you Slack users out there. Your team already lives in Slack. It's where decisions happen. It's where work actually gets done. So, why doesn't your agent live in Slack? As opposed to a lot of the times your agent lives in a separate chat window. You're using a desktop application of Claude, and you have to remember to go there, open it, switch context, copy and paste things back in. You can't tag anybody in the conversation or have a thread going based off of the results of this chat with an AI agent. So Agno helps unblock this by using our Slack tools. So here's an example that we have called Coda. Coda is an open source agent that you can clone and use your own. Highly recommend it. It's already built in with best practices for creating an AI agent. So go check that out. So what Coda does is it has access to all the activity on our GitHub. So it has access to our code base. It has access to pull request activity, to issues, discussions, things like that, as well as past conversations in Slack that we're having with Coda. It has that context. So what Coda was built for originally is to give a digest daily of here's PRs that have been merged, here are open issues, and then we're able to chat about, are there any blockers on those things in our Slack when those pop up. I'm going to show a different use case that we just stumbled across where it's powerful from the marketing end too. I'm able to ask Coda questions about our code base to help me with my marketing material, help me with my social media posts and things like that. So you'll see this is an example of the first time that I've used Coda where it asks it a question, it begins a thread, and then it gives me information about what are these more exciting recent features that we've had in the past 2 weeks. So I'll just show, just so you can see it in action. Here is a quick question to Coda. So beyond, you can have it in a separate message as well instead of in a public channel. The one thing that is nice about doing it this way is you get your history with all the different chats that you have with it. So you can see it working behind the scenes here. It's delegating tasks to different agents. It's hitting its GitHub tool. It's hitting its Slack tool. So that's a cool sort of behind the scenes look on what the agent is doing. And I'm just going to pause because this could take a second. So here are the results coming in from the question. Took about a minute. It all depends on how you have your agent set up and how much data it needs to go through. But here's a nice result of here are the top 5 things that it thinks that I should talk about, and I'll be able to bring this into my marketing meeting and we can figure out what we want to prioritize. And what's nice is it has some of the attachments to the cookbooks and where we can find examples that we can share with everybody. So yeah, your team's already in Slack. You might as well put your AI agent in there. Agno helps you unlock this. Check out the full walkthrough in the post and in our documentation, and definitely check out Coda. Give that agent a shot and clone the repo. All right, so hi to your agents for me.